this week on What's Cooking with Carolina Cooker. For recipes, visit carolinacooker.com.
All right, today we're doing our taco lasagna in our Carolina Cooker enameled pan. This is a 12 by 8.5 inch pan. This recipe will feed a family of 4 plus a little extra. The recipe calls for 1 pound of lean beef. We're gonna brown it up in our 13-inch Carolina Cooker skillet and then drain it. Now that we have our meat browned and drained, we're gonna mix our taco seasoning. All right, what I'm gonna do next is combine this egg with 15 ounces of ricotta cheese. The next part of the recipe calls for the layering. So what you want to do is put a layer of noodles, a layer of ricotta cheese, a layer of salsa, a layer of burger, and a layer of cheese, and you do that 3 times. All right, you just top it off with the cheese right here, and I personally like a lot of cheese. So if you come to my house and you're going to eat taco casserole, just plan on eating a lot of cheese, because if I can fit the rest of this bag on here, I'm going to. I think the cheese makes the world go round. That's gonna be straight goodness right there. All right, and then we're gonna get our oven preheated to 350 and get her put in there for about 40 minutes. Our taco lasagna only took us about 30 minutes to cook. I'm gonna garnish this thing with some green onions, some sour cream if that's what you like. For more recipes like this, visit carolinacooker.com.